Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to port a ROM using DSi XPI's Android Kitchen. That is, we are gonna port a ROM, that is, we are gonna make a custom ROM. So first of all, you should install and configure Android Kitchen. So you should install Cygwin and configure it and install Android Kitchen. A link to configure and install Android Kitchen, that is how to configure and install Android Kitchen, is given in the description section. You should go through it and should install and configure Cygwin and Android Kitchen. Okay, this Android Kitchen is a tool created by a XDA member called DSi XDA. This awesome tools makes ROM porting really easy without any much complications. So this is the interface of DSi XDA's Android Kitchen. After installing Cygwin and configuring Cygwin and Android Kitchen, then to open this interface of Android Kitchen, you need to open this Cygwin, then type cd space kitchen and press enter, then type /menu. It will open up the interface of DSi XDA's Android Kitchen. This is it. Now we're gonna port a ROM, so we will go with this legacy options. The option for porting a ROM is inside this legacy option, so input 00 and press enter key. Okay, here's it. Here you will see a 28th option as porting tools. That's an experimental feature, but it's working fine for me. We'll input 28 and press enter key. Okay, it's loaded. Now some warnings and details about the porting tool is given over here. So there are three options here. We are going with this first option, that is port ROM from another device. So input A and press enter. So the next screen will tell you about obtaining a ROM, that is a ROM which is currently meant for your device. Then you should place that ROM in the original update folder, that is Android Kitchen will create some directories. So in one of them you will find an original update folder, so you should place a ROM which is meant for your device in this original update folder. This is the ROM which is meant for my device, and this is the ROM which I am gonna port. So then add these and press enter. Then it will list the ROMs which are in the original update directory. Okay, so the first one, that is JB 4.2.2 Lite, is the ROM which is meant for my device. So I'll enter the selection as 1 and press enter key. Okay, now the working folder is being created right here. Here's it, a working folder is being created. Android XDA is extracting the files from the zip, that is flushable ROM. Now finish setting up the working folder. Now press enter key, and now Android Kitchen will decompile the kernel and will do some things. We don't need to worry about this because this is completely automated process. Some files are being copied, done, and now Android Kitchen is asking us to press the enter key, then press enter. Now it's asking us to add a ROM which we want to port to our device. So I have already added another ROM in this, that is Perfect Token. That's what I am gonna port to my device, and add it and press enter. It will again list the ROMs which are in this original update folder. So this is the ROM which I want to port to my device. I'll go with the option 2 and press enter key. Okay, if you want to change the name of the working folder, you can do it. I'm gonna change the name of the folder, so I'll press enter. That is, the default option is N, means no. So the files from the ROM which we want to port is being extracted right now. Okay, now it is asking us to convert the updater script, that is for the convenience, for the convenience of this Android Kitchen, we should convert our Edify format updater script into Amen format update script. We will convert it back at the end of end where we build the ROM. So now we will go with the option 1, that is convert the updater script into update script. I'll just show the both scripts, that is update script and updater script in a editor. So this is the updater script. This is the syntax of updater script. It's an old format which is used in all Android phones, and this is the syntax of updater script. That is the most of the new phones come with this updater script. That is the custom ROMs. For most of the new phones support this updater script, and also clockwork mode etc. will work efficiently with this updater script than this update script. And now press enter. Just wait for a few seconds because it's doing some things. Now ROM is being ported. Some of the automated processes are being going on in the background. Some information about that process are here written in this XDA's user interface app. It's done. Now press enter key. Now let's exit from this porting section. We'll press X to exit. Okay, now let's move to the main menu, because we are gonna add root permission in our ROM. For that, input 0 and press enter. So here's it. We are going with the option 2, that is add root permission. Input enter and 2 and press enter. My ROM already contains a super user application, that is it's already rooted. But I am just gonna show you how to do it. I'll go with the option yes here Y and press enter. So I'll go with this chain file super user. For that, input C and press enter. Now Android Kitchen will root our ROM and will add a super user application into the ROM, and the scripts will be updated according to it. Okay, it's finished rooting right now. Now press enter. Now we'll add BusyBox to our ROM. For that, input 3 and press enter. We'll go with yes, that is just press enter or input Y and press enter. I'll again go with the option yes. My ROM already has BusyBox, so press enter key. Okay, now what we are going to do is we are going to this legacy options again. We'll check our update script for errors. So go to this legacy option, input 00 and press enter. So here the 21st option is for checking the update script for errors. So we'll input 21 and we'll press enter. Our script is currently update script, and we'll convert it back after checking it to update script. Here we will go with the option yes. Okay, the update script is being checked. It will take a little bit of time. If any error is figured out by Android Kitchen, then it will ask us to rectify it. It will automatically rectify it. We just need to press Y and input Y and press enter key. Okay, no issues found here. Here it is saying that our ROM needs a updater script, so we'll convert it now. For now, press enter and go back to the main menu. Now we are going to convert our update script into updater script. That option is inside this advanced option, so we'll go with the option 0 and press enter. Okay, here's it, the 17th option, that is convert update script to updater script. We'll go with it. So here's it. The second option is for converting update script to update script. We'll go with the second option. Proceed with yes. Okay, it will now convert the update script into updated script. You should take a look at these mount statements, whether they are correct or not. If they are wrong, you should correct it. Press enter. It has showed an error in the mount statement. I'll correct it later because this mount statement will be device specific. So before changing anything in the updated script, you should Google it. You should figure out more information about it. Okay, now press enter key. Okay, now if you want to DRX your ROM, you go with the option 11, and you can also zip align your ROM. It's given in the main menu. There's an option to zip align all the APK files. Although when you build the ROM, Android Kitchen will ask you to zip align your ROM, and also it will ask you to DRX the ROM. So if you're not gonna do it right now, then you can do it when you build the ROM. You can also change the wipe status of your ROM. You can change the name of your ROM, and also can disable all the screen sound, that is booting. When the ROM boots up, it will make some crazy sounds. You can also turn it off. Now I'm gonna build my ROM. For that, I'll input the option 99 and will press enter. It has given us some build options. Here I'll go with this first option, that is interactive mode. Press enter. Okay, here's it. If you want to zip align the ROM, you can do it right from here. So I'm gonna do it right now. So press enter, or else you can input N and press enter. Now my apps are being zip aligned for better RAM usage. My ROM is already DRX, otherwise I should have DRX it from the main menu. Or the Android Kitchen should have showed me an option to DRX the ROM when I build my final ROM. Now making the update.zip, that is, it's now making our final custom ROM. The final ROM will be in this output zip directory. Okay, the update zip has been created. Now if you want to sign the ROM, you should do it. You can do it right now. I'll go with yes. It's done. If you want to change the name of the flashable ROM, then you can change it from here. I'll change it to this is a demo and we'll press enter key. Okay, it's done. Now you will find the custom ROM in this output.zip directory. Here's it. This is a demo. You can flash it. DSA XD is showing that sometimes it may create some problems, that such as it may show you status 0, or the ROM will not boot up after flashing the, and also sometimes the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. may not work. So I have given some links in the description section which will give you some information on troubleshooting such problems. I have also added a link back to the original developer of this tool, that is DSA XDA, in the description section. The guide by DSA XDA in the xdadevelopers.com will help you to rectify most of the problems which you may encounter during flashing a custom ROM. Okay, thanks for watching guys, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. I have also created some videos on how to decompile or edit an Android application, and also have created on tweaking the settings.apk in our Android phone. Okay, you should also watch it.